Harmony and their token 1. Could this be the next Solana, the next Ethereum, the next Polygon? What do I know? It's still early in the game. Welcome to this video. My name is Paula G, and today we're going to talk about what could be our next biggest opportunity as crypto investors. We're going to talk about Harmony. And Harmony has one of the biggest potentials to become one of the best networks of 2022 and actually to shoot up to skyrocket prices. All right, so let's talk about Harmony. So Harmony is an open and fast blockchain. Their mainnet runs on Ethereum, but we're talking about a 2-second transaction finality, and it has 1,000 times lower fees. And these are some of the things that we're going to be talking about in this video. But look at this. Harmony is an open platform for assets, collectibles, identity, governance, NFTs, all of the good things that we like to talk about nowadays. One of the first things every time we're exploring a new project, and this is something that I learned from my mentors, and it's something that I like to pass on to all of you guys that are looking for opportunities to make money online and to make money in the cryptoverse. So what we always do is we do our research. Very important is that done your own research. Do not go and invest in Harmony because I am telling you guys, because this is not financial advice, and do not go invest in Harmony or any other project because an influencer or a famous YouTuber is telling you. Please do your own research, and this way you can learn how to identify when there are good opportunities and good projects out there for you to invest on. So one of my favorite pages, some of you may know, is the Cyber Hunter. So in Cyber Hunter, we're going to be able to look for a specific project, that we're going to look for what is the project about. Remember, when you're investing on a project, this solution needs to be a solution for a problem. It needs to be something that can be used to solve a problem, okay? That's why it's a solution, right? If it is not, probably it is not going to be scalable, and you may get some return, but it's not going to be a long-term hold, okay? So let's go ahead and look at Harmony in Cyber Hunter. And we got the website, we got all the social media. I already checked them out. Everything looks great. So look at this. What is the introduction? Our open infrastructure is a revolutionary high throughput, low latency, and low fee consensus platform designed to power the decentralized economy of the future. Something that we need to know is that they work with a proof of stake. Their consensus is a proof of stake, and I do believe it. I have it somewhere, but we're going to look at that later. Let's continue looking at this. Now, it says our goal is to deliver decentralization and scalability, big issues. The promise of a blockchain is to enable decentralized coordination and scale, but no platform has yet been able to achieve both. Harmony aims to change that. So we are talking about this project has huge goals. It has goals that Polygon has had, that Cardano has, that a lot of other layer 2 blockchains have, but they have their own way of doing it. I actually think about Harmony a lot like Cosmos, because they do connect. There is a bridge between different blockchains, so it is very interesting. The other thing that you guys are always going to look for are who's the team behind this project. Are these famous names? What's up with them? And we have a Steven C, I hope that's the way we pronounce it, the founder of Harmony. And then we have an amazing team. I checked some of these guys, and they have worked for Apple, for Google, for big tech companies. So this tells me that this team is here, one, to stay, and two, to rock. They are not here to play around. And then the next thing we're going to look is at the portfolio. If they have 2 projects in the portfolio, but most importantly is their investors, their venture capitalists, if there are. And we do have some big investors. This is a big one. Digital Assets Capital Management is also a big one. And we have Let me see which one, Continue Capital, and then also I think it's Univalues, the other one that is a big one. So we do see that there is a backup in this project. They have good capitals, good investors in general. So this gives me a little bit more confidence on what I am about to invest on, right? So now let's go to either, we can go to CoinMarketCap or to CoinGecko. Let's look at both of them. So as of right now, January 11th of 2022, Harmony's token, one, that's the name of the token, it's trading at 30 cents. And we see, look at these guys, from yesterday, it increased 12%. So let's go ahead and take a look at the one day, it got a big jump. But if we look at the old times, we just like, this is definitely we have a good trend, and it's just an amazing project in overall. Now I want to jump a little bit to the partnerships. So we have this webpage that is called harmonynews.one, and in this webpage you're going to find a lot of resources for this project, but most importantly we're going to see some of Harmony's partnerships, which is another thing that you always gotta look around for. And we see that they have partnerships with let's see, so Animoca and Harmony, Quid, Chainlink, important, Limpo, important, Safe Haven, becoming important, Binance, Matic, which is Polygon, we have Carbon. Definitely they have a lot of interesting partnerships, and if we check out their Twitter page, I had it open somewhere, you're going to see all of the news and how these partnerships are relevant right now and will be relevant in the future. And then we have praise for Harmony, and this is something that very few projects do put out there in the web pages, and we have praises from Charles Hoskinson, who is the co-founder of Ethereum and the founder of Cardano, one of my favorite assets in my portfolio. We have Vitalik, the co-founder of Ethereum, very famous, of course. And then we have all of these super important people in the space. Look at this, Alexander, the co-founder of Near Particle, another one of my favorites. So definitely this is not a project that is just like a ghost project or something that is just like, yeah, it might be a trend. No, this is a big project. It is coming up more and more. The sentiment keeps on growing. So definitely this is a project that we are going to have to keep an eye on. All right. So as all of other blockchains, new blockchains, Harmony wants to address different problems and issues in the blockchain. As I mentioned in my previous video on Polygon, go check it out if you haven't. They are trying to fix Ethereum's layer 1 problems such as speed, efficiency, gas fees, cross-chain capabilities, which takes me back to Cosmos, another one of my favorite assets in my portfolio, and also how to include the potential of the NFT world and all of this that is such an early stage for crypto and NFTs, that any project that starts validating and starts working towards not only having a marketplace but being user friendly for all of us, not only developers, it's going to rock. So right here we have some of the partners that we were just mentioning a little bit ago. We have Binance, Sushi Schwab, DaVinci, Atari, Travala.com, Chainlink. This is going somewhere. This project is definitely going somewhere. But that's basically it for this amazing project. It is definitely a project that I'm keeping an eye on. I hold some one tokens, but I will definitely keep an eye on. Right now we are, I'm gonna wait just for a little dip, and then I'm going to get some more tokens in my bag. But definitely, something that is also important to think about is that it is ranking at 44 right now. So we have an awesome project with an awesome venture capitalist backup, awesome team, and then they are ranking at number 44 in CoinMarketCap, and they're still at 30 cents. So it is time to think about it. Once again, this is not a financial advice, but I am definitely buying some more of this. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, useful, that you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment. Let me know any coins that you are watching, that you're keeping an eye on, and maybe you'd like to see some more information, and I will be so happy to go ahead and research that project and put up a video for all of us to continue exploring the cryptoverse. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with other people that also are crypto enthusiastic, and we can make this community grow and grow. Until the next time, guys. Bye-bye.